everybody, so in this video I want to teach you how to put leg behind of head, because if you do without studying it will be you can hurt yourself. So make very carefully, look this video, learn how to do, and only after you do, first of all you make your hitting exercise to make blood circulation all over your leg around. After you make it more fast, more fast, more fast, and more fast. From this position, try to make your leg behind of your hand, and with opposite leg, hold with your hand and keep your balance. Make time to get used to do position like that. Make sure that your back is straight. And then take your legs slowly behind of your head. Keep your legs, hands stay in plunge, and breathe out. From this position, take your leg far away and keep your plunge. Stay plunge like that. Very good. Make your leg on cross of your knee. Push your knee with a hand. Look opposite way from you. Every exhale, breathe out. Try to push your body more deeply, like that. And after more deeply, like that. And after a little bit more, like that. Make sure that your back is straight, your head look forward and a little bit up. Very good. And stretch your leg. Very good. Thank you very much for doing this